Hi, my name's Matt Stonestreet. I'm one of the orthopedic total joint specialists at OrthoUnited. At OrthoUnited, I think what makes us special, both as a practice and as individual surgeons, is kind of like what makes Stark County special. You know, we've all done advanced training and learned all the new techniques, but brought it back home to take care of the people in our community. And I think that's what makes us special. We're not trying to bring anybody out. We really make it a point to get to know our patients. I'm lucky enough in a hip and knee replacement scenario that I get to see people quite a bit. It's not often that I'm operating on that patient the first time I see them. We're usually giving them injections and trying physical therapy and other things first to see if we can get them feeling better. So it allows us to really get to know people. And I think that is what sets us apart, is that we treat people like their friends and family, and we want them to feel that way with us and also stay in our community and provide that care.
Conveniently scheduling appointments online today at OrthoUnitedohio.com.